Oh yeah, we're gonna take my car. It is a rainy day today. Nothing much going on, except for the fact that we're about to take a field trip and go get some fireworks, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Taking the big two.
Ones.
We're gonna venture out to Macedon because apparently that's the closest place to be able to get fireworks around here, and see if we can get something that was similar to what we had last year. We made it, Parker.
Yep.
Is that the fireworks tent?
Yep. After a while and finding that there was a dead end, we finally got here.
True story. Road closed, but we made it. We'll see what we find. Wait, what did we get?
Giant
Holy
one.
crap, look at that giant thing. Wizard Alley, what? And then we got,
That
yeah,
stuff.
a bag full of cans of stuff that are gonna
I can show
Nah,
them
shoot
more.
off and
Explode.
explode.
So we got these mini California rocket fountains.
Yep. You take the
And
cap
then-
off, you stick them in the ground, you light them on the top, and you let them go.
Yeah.
Yep. And then what are these guys?
Those are lightning flash. I think you like throw them at the ground and they explode.
Yep. Those are the normal
And then-
situations.
We got these bigger ones. We got the Revolution, the Sizzler,
Got these
and the
packs that are
American
like,
Spirit.
gonna kind of go off a
Then
little
you
bit.
got
Electrolytes.
electrolyte.
Yep.
And then you
It's a
got the
little larger.
Wizard Alley.
And that thing goes
Maximum.
off pretty well because you could scan a code and you could watch like what the show looks like before you actually buy it. So you
Maximum
knew what you were getting.
allowed.
And then maximum charge, this baby,
500 grams.
to give it some perspective, that's how big Parker is and that's how big the Wizard
Bigger
Alley
than
is.
my head.
And you light it and you run away.
Yeah, don't
Yeah,
want to
go.
stand next to it.
So-
Stop messing with
It should be fun. There's some very intense rain today. So, guys, what's going on? What did you guys make here and where did you make it?
At the library.
At the library.
Yep. Yeah.
So you went there to
Yeah.
do a craft thing, right? A
Yeah.
craft activity.
We made that. We
All right,
made
so Carter, you made, whoa, so you made a, what is that, a lion?
with a kid.
With a
bed.
child?
What's the name of the book that you guys listened to before you did your
Caring
project?
for your lion. Caring for your lion.
Caring for your lion.
It was
And you made one too.
30 days.
Yours looks very similar. Yeah,
Like a dumpy face.
very nice. Hey, you too.
Can you guys
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
can you tell Daddy who the two helpers were that were there helping you?
Mackenzie and Melissa.
Who?
Mackenzie and Melissa.
Mackenzie and Marissa.
It was Marissa's first day helping.
We know who they are. What are we gonna go see?
Me and Steve.
Despicable Me 3?
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Jack?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be a good movie?
Yeah.
We think it's gonna be as good as Guardians
Yeah.
2? We'll see, right? So, we just saw Despicable Me 3.
Yep.
Was it any good?
Yeah.
Jack, did you like the movie?
I like the movie.
You like the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Out of
It's
5
really
stars, I'd give it like 3.5, maybe 4.
4.5.
Whoa, 3.5, maybe 4.
Probably 4.
That's kind of rough.
4.5.
It was the movie
4.5?
was funny.
And we run.
Oh, these are done. Oh.
Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Oh my God!
Holy cow!
That one was even better than last year.
Oh man, that was out of control.
Good.